is with deep sorrow that I must inform you of the disappearance of our beloved Toa Lhikans. Trust in me. With the help of the Vahki, order shall be maintained. And soon all your concerns will be laid to rest.
Faithful Matoran, Metru Nui needs you. Prove yourselves worthy, Toa.
Responsible for Toa Lhikans' demise. Seize them!
Now, even the Great Spirit will sleep.
And so it was, as it is. Matoran into Toa, Toa into Turaga, Turaga into legend, remembering deeds past and bringing hope to the future. This is the way of the Bionicle.